Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're here at a pizza place in Half Way Tree. Pizza place. I'm having this lovely slice of pepperoni pizza. And over here.
What pizza?
Mmm, so good. Never had bird. This one is really good.
Here's your change, sir. Alright, so one
Pepperoni.
inside.
We're having this lemongrass drink. So good. Cheers. Cheers.
Water.
Vegan don't have the cheese, that's what you want. Alright, so vegan and bacon. Alright? Vegan and bacon.
So yummy.
Time 98.
What is a pork?
So when I'm done, I'm going to try this barbecue pork pizza. So I would rate this one like a 9 out of 10. It's really good. Really good. Oh, okay, and
Perfect.
saltfish
10
pizza.
out of 10. Perfect.
Hi, welcome.
Not anything with.
Really good. So good.
You see how you can go.
I had to celebrate you, baby. I had to praise you like I should.
It's perfect. 10 out of 10. Happy and rendering. So delicious. And here we have it pork. Now take a nice bite. Nice. Kingston, Jamaica. Half Way Tree to be exact. Pizza, please. Sourdough here. Yeah. Non-GMO, no preservative, natural, olive oil, and sourdough. So everything is perfectly natural. Good for your health. No clogged arteries. Understand? Good
So I'm
for your
gonna order another slice of the pepperoni to take with us. So good.
perfect. I recommend this place to
10 out of 10. This drink is so good.
Wine with us, dine with us, good vibes only. Wine with us, dine with us, good vibes only. Whatever that is.
All done. Sun is hot outside. Sun is really hot.
It's cool inside here.
And the prices are not bad because
But I mean,
one of these
now.
pepperoni pizza is only
Yes, you are.
it's only like about $7.99. Not really bad.
You good? You enjoy your meal?
No, I'm on. I bring it, we did that. I saw it.
So you say pay one. You want from that? Alright.
That's a lot for you.
One for
Really good stuff. Okay, guys, real good stuff here in Jamaica. Yeah, Kingston, Jamaica.
So as you all know, it's about time. We're in coming up to the festive season. The place is a bit busy, guys.
They also have a branch in Orchards. Yeah, Main Street Orchards. Perfect place to be when it comes to Jamaica. You can check it out.
Yeah, very good.
Oh my god, it's like this. Yeah, we got our dinner now. Yeah. Be all over.
So guys, we're about to leave. So we're just getting our stuffs.
We're in Jamaica already.
So you know, it's about time for the festive season. So everyone is busy outside.
Right.
This is looking all lovely, decorated. Nice Christmas trees and stuff like that. So we're heading to the car.
Going to look about this phone now. Dead battery. Phone not working properly, so we'll check it out. Apple's King. Owned by Pristine Plaza. Right here in Half Way Tree, Kingston, Jamaica. Land of wood and water. Hoo ha! Hoo ha! Yeah. Party time. And there's a lot of food place here. This is Twin Gates Plaza over this side. This is Twin Gates Plaza. Supreme Ventures, Dre Collections, and a lot of nice places here in Half Way Tree, Kingston. Yeah. This is a passport and immigration. You come and get a passport. Yeah, right here in Kingston. Tropical Plaza. We're passing the Tropical Plaza now. Fontana Pharmacy, Payless, Digicel. Yeah, all these nice places. Flow. Yeah, this is Kentucky Fried Chicken we have here in Jamaica also. Yeah. We're going to the Pavilion Jewelers now. Right here is Pavilion Jewelers. In the heart of Half Way Tree, Kingston. Yeah, Pablo's. Yeah, Fabrics. Yeah, we'll have a nice medical center. We are going close to the Scotia Bank. Yeah. Yeah, it's Kingston, Jamaica, people. Right here, close to the transportation center here in Half Way Tree. Yeah. This is where all the JUTC buses arrive, take passengers. Yeah, right here at the Half Way Tree Transportation Center. Okay? Yeah. Right here, the center of the town. So there's an Half Way Tree where all the ladies are. No, you want a lady here in Jamaica, you can find her right here. Yeah. Have the Jamaica National Bank. This is one of the head office here in Half Way Tree, Kingston. Yeah. That's Jane Bank. Right here. Right, go across fast. We're entering the National Commercial Bank now. It's the head office. The National Commercial Bank here on your left hand side. Yeah, see here? National Commercial NCB. Yeah. There's a lot of business place here in Half Way Tree. It's a very busy place. This is the center of the town, the main vein of Kingston and St. Andrew. Yeah. So you find that you have a lot of traffic here, a lot of people a lot of commerce taking place on a daily basis. Even on Sundays, Half Way Tree doesn't close. And it's most business places open also on Sundays. Close to the festive season now. Yeah, so it's very festive and nice here in Kingston, Jamaica. It's very nice. Otherwise from Portland. Portland is a more country area. Yeah, Kingston is a more built up area, town center. Yeah, Portland town is a smaller town area, which is in the country, so it's not that heavily populated like in Kingston. Yeah. So we're coming off Half Way Tree Road now. We're going around from Malines inside. That's where we're going now. We're going back to Prestige Plaza for by where we're gonna fix the phone at Appleton. St. Andrew Parish Church. Yeah, this church is over 100 years old. If you can see it, it have the bell, it have about 5 bells. Yeah, 'cause back in those days they used to ring the bells. Yeah, when the church service started. That is the St. Andrew Parish Church. The crossroad. We have a lot of traffic traversing this area on a daily basis.
So we have parked. We are heading to fix the phone. Andrew is walking away from me. Eh? There's a lot of steps.
Yeah, the exercise, elevator working is good. Elevator not working here. Got exercise. Right? It's okay. So I heard you like this. You're talking like this. To the report. One problem. And we're Portland over there. We're gonna come back over there. I don't know about you there, but I just chip out my house.
So guys, this is it for today. Until next time. Hope you guys enjoy this video and enjoy your day. Bye.